Aircraft Hardware West, a leader in the distribution of aircraft fasteners and inventory management solutions, serving more than 3,000 customers in over 50 countries. Using Tier 1 supply chain partners, AHW is a direct source for every major aircraft fastener manufacturer. Serving aircraft OEMs worldwide, our hardware is used for aerospace interiors, seats, and aero-structure applications. Our core values are built on excellence and operating to the industry-leading quality system AS9100D. We continually track and measure our performance to improve our processes from order to delivery. Advanced vendor management inventory solutions have proven to deliver control and complete visibility to your secured business transactions using our easily accessed web portal. With our competitive pricing, innovative inventory management solutions, and global footprint, we can offer our customers a complete hardware solution for manufacturing operations anywhere in the world. Our goal is to exceed our clients' expectations for quality, delivery, and service. When responsiveness, superiority, and commitment matters, Aircraft Hardware West should be your strategic partner. Aircraft Hardware West, building success together.